It's not moving. It's not. Do you see that? It's not. No, it's not gonna move.
But honestly, who could be more honest?
Hi, and welcome back to The Honest Goddess. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And today I'm going to be giving you a gem. Today I'm going to be giving you one of my top beauty secrets for free. Well, is it for free? You have to spend time to watch this video. But this is one of my biggest secrets. People always ask me about it all the time. And I'm going to share with you today. So today, as you can see by the title, we're going to talk about brows. Talking about brows. You see these brows? We're going to talk about it. Because I have none. I have no brows. I have no brows. And I chose to talk about this today because I did get I ordered them in bulk because I use them that much. But I did just order some more. And I wanted to share with you guys. So, the product. So I do get this from Aliexpress, and I usually buy 5 at a time. I will post the price here. It's very, very affordable. Even with shipping to Canada, it's still more affordable than the pencil that I was buying here. The pencil that I was buying before, I got from Shoppers, and you already know Shoppers is not cheap. But yeah, so that's why I just buy it in bulk, so I have a bunch around. And yeah, so let me just flip the camera and show you guys kind of the packaging. So this is what comes in the box. I think I ordered 5. These are freebies. Like, they gave me these free spoolies. They've been trying to sell me on this pencil, but I don't like it. But it's very nice, but it just doesn't do the same thing. And then it just has a thing on the bottom. They always give me these as well. I've never used them because I just rather freehand. Because as you can see, this is all in another language. It's in another language. So as you can see, I do get it in gray brown. And I'm just going to open one on camera just so you guys can see. So as I said, it's the dark, not the dark brown, the gray brown, which is such a weird color, but the dark brown was too light, like way too light. Yeah, the dark brown was way too light. The black was way too black. So I think this was the only other option. So I said, let me give it a try. And it ended up being perfect. Like, this is gray brown. I don't know what's gray about it, but my eyebrows, they are gray brown. They're gray brown. Anyways, yeah, so we're opening it, and it's just literally. And that's how it looks. And we will now jump to a clip of me with no eyebrows. Please don't be too scared. Don't be too scared. But yeah, I have no eyebrows. We're gonna go jump to that clip where I can show you how I do my brows. Very simple, very quick, very fast, and this thing works. When I say it works, people are gonna think you microbladed your eyebrows. Everybody always asks me that question. Did I microwave? Did I microblade my eyebrows? I want to one day, but until then, I'm gonna use this product.
Ow! Jump scare.
literally it, guys. Literally it. Okay, so now that you saw how I kind of put everything on, I wanted to talk about why I really like this product. There's many products that can give me a good eyebrow. My last eyebrow pencil did that, but the thing about this one, it is waterproof. I don't know what this writing is, but I'm gonna tell you what it says. Okay, so it's waterproof, it's smudge proof, it is everything proof. I think the first time I had worn it, I had went somewhere and I said this is the truth, because I was sweating. Wherever I went, I was sweating. It didn't come off. My last eyebrow pencil, if it comes so, gone. Do you see that? It's still there. If it comes so, gone with the wind. It is gone. This one, it's not moving. I've been in the ocean, I've been in pools, I've been on water parks. Not moving. It's not going to move. It's not gonna. I've slept in it and I sleep bad. Slept in it. It's not moving. It's not. Do you see that? It's not. No, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. It's not gonna move. And yeah, it looks like I was born with it. And that's the beauty about it. You can go light, I can go super dark. It really depends on my mood. Today I think this is in between. Like I can go darker, fuller. But yeah, I didn't do that today. So this is it. But that's one of the reasons I love this product. Plus it's cheap. And when I say multiple people have asked if I got my eyebrows microbladed, it's just this. Just this good old product. Just this. But yeah, this does the trick. Nice and easy. Like, look at that. Look at that. It really can't get any simpler than this pencil. I love it. Yes, I do have to draw my eyebrows on every single day, but at least they're perfect, right? And until I get microbladed, I think this is what I want to stick to. If you're not new to my page, then you know I've tried multiple things. I've tried the Wonder Brow, I've tried tinting, I've tried actually even professional tinting off camera. Still didn't work because I have no hair for the tint to adhere to. I have no hair. Like, that's just how my eyebrows grow. And I'll be honest with you, I do shave off the tips of my eyebrows because my eyebrows don't connect. I don't think I have any pictures, but, or maybe look at an old video, but literally my eyebrows go like this and then like that. They don't connect. So I have to shave off this bottom one and draw on my own tail. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, definitely let me know in the comments, and have a good one.